Hi everyone, welcome back to Rachel's Studio, and I have some exciting news for you. I hope you're excited about it like I am, because it will provide an opportunity for you to have a little bit more access to me. What am I talking about, you may ask? It's memberships. YouTube has a somewhat new feature where they allow YouTube creators to have memberships. So I thought I would jump on the memberships bandwagon and offer them to you all. And most of you probably know I do have Patreon, and this is kind of like Patreon, but it's on YouTube instead of having to join Patreon, which some may not be comfortable with that platform for a myriad of reasons. You might want to just stay right here on YouTube. So I thought I'd make that possible for those of you who want a little bit more access to me and my teaching and some of the art things that I do, but you don't want to join Patreon. So let me explain my memberships to you, and I would love to have you join me. And while I share this new membership option, I'm going to just show you footage of some of my more in-depth tutorials, and of course they'll be sped up here, but if you join my membership levels, you'll see these in real time, slowed down, with full voiceover explanations of every nitty-gritty detail. In order to join, you just click the join button. Wherever you see a subscribe button, there will also be a join button. You click on that, and then you will be prompted to choose which membership level that you would like, and then you will be prompted to pay. Then you will just be charged on a recurring basis every month, and you can unsubscribe at any time. Over on Patreon, my memberships start at $5. Here on YouTube, they're going to start at $3. So you get a little less than the $5 option on Patreon. But here on YouTube, for $3, you'll get access to new line drawings every month and one real-time, full-length video tutorial. Now, what that will mean is that you will be able to watch me paint a painting in real time from start to finish, so you can paint along with me, and you'll also get a reference photo and a line drawing with that project, and I will have one of those each month for my $3 level members. And then, yes, am I doing well? Am I doing a good job, Kitty? And then for my next level, it will be an $8 level, which coincides with my $8 level over on Patreon, where you get access to all my real-time videos. And my real-time videos are where I paint in real time and explain as I go, so you can paint along with me. And those, of course, also come with reference photos and downloadable line drawings, so it makes the project a lot easier to at least get started. Now, my next tier over on Patreon is $13, and YouTube wouldn't let me have a $13 tier. The next tier up was $15. So for $15, I was trying to think, what extra could I offer my $15 level tier members? You get access to all the previous perks, which include, by the way, for all my membership levels, customized emojis, which are little paintings that I've done over the years, and then I made them kind of funny. So they're really cute, actually. So you'll get custom emojis, custom membership badges, and then at the $15 level, you'll get access to all my tutorials that I've ever done, which I have about 50 in my library, and 3 to 4 new tutorials every month as well, real-time tutorials with full explanation. And also, if you join at the $15 level, I will do a critique of one of your paintings once a month. And you can share that with me through my email, and I'll share my email address over on my members only tab. To access all these perks, I think the way that I'm going to do it is over on the community tab on my channel. I will have a place where I can make posts and make them just accessible depending on your membership level. So if you're wondering where to find all these new perks, just head over to my community tab, and I will have some things uploaded for you to enjoy. Kitty, you are messing me up. But I do provide early access to all my videos to my members. So there you have it. Memberships is an exciting way for me to allow you all in on a closer level to learn from me more in depth all the techniques that I share. And when I do voiceovers for these real-time tutorials, I talk a lot about different techniques and explain a lot of different concepts and a lot of things. So you'll really learn so much about watercolor painting and everything that goes along with that to make successful paintings. I'd love for you to join, and thank you so much to everybody who subscribes, likes my videos, watches to the very end, leaves me comments, interacts with me here and on Facebook. Of course, I have my Facebook watercolor workshop group where you can post your paintings so you can share it with my community and me and get feedback and just oohs and ahs, and it's just a really fun way to support each other as artists. So I'd love for you to join me there. I'd love you to join my memberships. And even if you don't do that, I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.